This is how to enable call forwarding on your Yealink handset. Dial *72 followed by the number you wish to divert your calls to. Then press send.
Your call forwarding always service has been activated successfully. Thank you.
You will see that the phone icon in the top left of the screen has gone orange and the call forwarding icon has appeared at the top of the screen. All your incoming calls will now be forwarded to that number. You will not be able to answer any calls on your phone. To disable call forwarding, dial *73 and press send.
Your call forwarding always service has been deactivated successfully. Thank you.
Your calls will now be able to be received on this handset and will no longer be forwarded. And that is how to set up call forwarding on your Yealink handset.